3, 2, 1.
We're in Florida, and it's raining.
Oh my God, are you a meteorologist?
Yes.
After, please.
Are you jumping or what?
Jumping.
Well, let's jump. Do it. Get it.
Enjoying another aquifer spring natural fresh water source here in Florida, swimming in it. Kids just lost the paddleboard behind me. So that was interesting. So we just finished our swim at Wekiwa Springs. We were not fortunate enough to see manatee. Apparently they're not as common as we were led to believe, at least here. So our next adventure will hopefully be somewhere where we can swim with these gentle giants. Where are we at?
We're at Everglades National Park.
We're at Everglades National Park. We're gonna see some gators.
Or try to at least.
No, we're gonna see some gators.
And
How? How are we gonna see them? What are we doing?
But we're gonna go on an airboat.
Yep. We are indeed going on an airboat.
And we might see manatee too.
Probably not, buddy.
Because they're deep.
Well, nope, they're not here.
It said we might see otters or the Florida panther.
Yep. We'll see otters, Florida panther, various birds, gators, crocodile, things.
Yeah, very cool things.
Yeah.
Very cool thing.
Yeah.
Ahora sí. Okay, guys. Bye, coconuts. Boat number 2.
Boat number 2. Perfect. Thank you.
How you doing, sir?
Great. How are you?
I am doing great. We got some earplugs for you.
Perfect.
We're gonna go in this boat. Watch your step. When
This one right here?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I want to go in the front.
Yep.
Welcome to Everglades Safari Park. My name is Louis. I'm gonna be your boat captain today. Also, if you have anything that may fly away, such as hats, bags, skinny girlfriends, just hold on to them very tight, okay? Now, anything goes back there, I'm gonna turn it all into little pieces because of the propellers. Anything falls in the water, say bye-bye to it. It will belong to my friends, the alligators. One last question. Let me see how you do. Are you guys ready to go?
Yeah!
Get out of here. Let's get out of here.
The water.
Keep your eyes open. Also, make a little bit of room when he jumps in the boat, okay? Guys, he's next to the boat. Next
Right
to the
there.
boat, in the water.
Right there. We're on top of him.
He's going towards the back.
We're on top of him.
Yep. Okay, I see it. He's moving that way. He's heading towards that way. Right in front of you guys. Right in front of you. Left side. Towards the front. You don't see it? There's a big bird watching you. Okay, that one is called the Great Blue Heron. You guys don't see it for real? It's right in front of you guys.
Oh.
Yeah,
Yep.
Great Blue Heron. Alright, just wait.
Where?
There he goes.
Yeah, it's real. That is the biggest wading bird in the Everglades, and as you notice, it has a wingspan of about 6 feet or 2 meters in length. And guess what? They love eating fish, snakes, ants, baby alligators. That's their favorite snack, baby alligators.
You see, the alligator's reputation is a bad one. A lot of people look at alligators like they're monsters. Alligators are naturally afraid of us. They want nothing to do with us. If they were monsters, I wouldn't be able to do this for a living, okay? So the message, the point of these shows is to help repair their reputation. It's for them, okay? So that's why they're in there. We go ahead and we try and repair the reputation by showing people that they are not the monsters that they make them out to be on television. And when you see them in there, that guy right there, the one in the middle, that's my puppy, you will see, okay? So here we go, let's talk a little bit about alligators. Come on, Bubba, we gotta work, baby. Come on, look at that beautiful smile. Look at that gorgeous smile. Does this look like a monster to you? Propel themselves in the water up to about 15 miles per hour. On land, they can also run up to about 15 miles per hour. I know they don't look like it, but trust me, they can. They just gotta find, try and give you a kiss. They just gotta find the right motivation for them to reach 15 miles per hour. But they're so lazy that even when they find that motivation, yeah, they're on 15 miles per hour, all right, for about 10 seconds, and they give up on you. What can I say?
You see the teeny tiny baby? Probably like 2 years old.
It's an actual baby.
Noses are more of a V.
They're pointy.
More pointy.
Different
Crocodile
colors.
over there. Yep. Yep. And it said the American crocodile was more gray.
Yeah, here you can see their teeth.
There's also one over there.
Well, there's 4 right here in front of us,
And one right
and 1 over there. But 1 crocodile and 3 gators right in front of us.
That's it, guys.
All right. We just finished our boat tour of the Everglades, and that was pretty awesome.
It was really cool.
Yeah, we saw a lot.
We saw some gator, we saw crocodile, we saw birds.
Yep.
Turtle.
And turtle.
I think it was definitely an enjoyable experience for us.
I'd recommend it.
He's back there celebrating. Did you like it, bud?
Yeah.
Good.
We saw 2 gators on the boat on the actual tour.
But we saw 3 gators while we were watching.
3 wild gators while we were walking.
Only 3?
3 wild.
Okay.
And then we saw, I don't know,
6.
10 or ish, maybe,
Yeah.
captive.
Yeah.
6. It was 6.
There's
It was
6 of them?
6 captive, and then we saw 2 crocodiles in captivity. Other things, more fun. We saw a python.
Yeah.
We did it.
We did it so much. Yay! Like and subscribe.
Yeah. Like
Yeah.
and subscribe.
What she said. Do it.
Smash that like button.
Horse smash
Hit
it.
that subscribe button.
Horse
Ring the bell
smash.
for fun.
Horse smash that subscribe button.
Hulk smash that subscribe button.